So we are here at Mayaguez Airport in Puerto Rico. Jay's getting ready to take a Cape Air hopper to San Juan and then another one on to St. Thomas. He's been doing a charter gig for a couple of companies in St. Thomas on some big catamarans, having lots of fun, sleeping every night, making bank, way easier than chartering our own boat with way less restrictions and rules. So anyway, he's going to keep us informed as he goes along. Right,
cheers.
Cheers. So it looks like it used to be a going concern. There's Cape Air. There's lots of opportunity for businesses here. There's the waiting area. I don't know if there's an observation area or not. Jack is anxiously awaiting Jay's departure. He's so upset, he can't even look at him. No, he's loving the cold tile floor. Around that pole. You're wrapped around that pole. And this is the airport maintenance crew. Very interested in seeing Jack. What is that, Jack? Is that a big dog? What do you see? All over Puerto Rico, there are horses mowing the yard. Hey, buddy. You got yourself wrapped around that pole. You got yourself wrapped around that pole. Hi, boy. Hello. How are you? Your nose is scratched. Your nose is scratched. Yeah. Nice smooth back, not a sway back nag. Unusual kind of roan coat, long tail like a Pasifino, maybe a Pasifino mixed breed. Is that what you are? Huh? This is the Mayaguez airport. There's their weather control, and there's somebody working over there. And this is from the parking lot. Jack and I got out of the car. We're waiting for Jay to fly in from St. Thomas. So this is Mayaguez, a very small plane, Cape Air. Come here. We're going to go see if we can look out onto the runway. And there are a couple that look like they came from the jungle. Gray and low clouds over those mountains, the direction of San Juan. And I'm thinking in the little 6-seater plane that Jay is in, he's gonna complain of a bumpy ride. Could be exciting.